In this video, I'm going to show you how to view table of contents in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So the table of contents inside Adobe Reader is actually the bookmarks tab. So you want to go to the left here, top left, and you want to click on this bookmarks tab, and it's going to basically open the bookmarks. And in case your document has bookmarks like mine, you'll be able to see kind of this table of contents, okay? So we can just click on anywhere and it's going to go to that specific point of it. And then of course inside there's going to be like more stuff like this, as you can see, and these things are actually kind of contents, and this is the table of contents inside your Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now if you for some reason can't see this or can't see this at all, you can just go to view up top, display or not display, show/hide, and then you have navigation panes, and you want to click on bookmarks. Now this should open up the bookmarks over here, and then you'll be able to view them just like this. If you don't have any bookmarks over here, you can of course create them, but for this you can't actually do it inside Adobe Acrobat Reader. You will need Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Pro, so the upgraded version that you can also use to actually create bookmarks, and that way generate a table of contents, which you can then of course hop through using these buttons over here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.